Hey guys, I'm Deepthi Desikan, and in today's video we're going to be talking about some new products from Pilgrim. So this one is their 100% pure and natural Tamanu oil and their argan oil. So I feel like this is the perfect time to incorporate oils into your skincare routine, into your makeup routine, because winter is right around the corner. We're actually like in entering the winter season, and in most parts of India as well, the winters can get a little bit harsh. So if you feel like your skin is a little bit too dry, your moisturizer is not enough, an oil such as this can definitely help you. So now I'm going to be talking about these products individually. Let's get started. The first one we're going to be talking about is Pilgrim Secrets of Jeju Island Argan Oil. So this is what the outer packaging of the product looks like. It looks so premium and nice, and also the product itself is really nice and sleek as well. Just look at that. It feels nice and luxurious. I really like their packaging. I like the color scheme of these products. And then you get 30 ml of product in this, and this retails for 600 rupees. Of course, you can find it for a much lesser price whenever they are on discount, and I feel like it's a really nice price point. Starting off, let me talk to you guys about the texture of this. It's very lightweight on the skin. It doesn't feel like your typical oil where it's very heavy. It feels heavy, and you feel like you have something on your skin, but this one is very light in terms of texture, very light in the way it applies on your face as well. It doesn't feel heavy at all, but it acts as a really good occlusive and humectant. It seals the moisture into your skin. It adds a nice glow to your skin, and I like to incorporate this right after my moisturizer. Sometimes I do skip my moisturizer when I'm using argan oil, and I also like to use it right before I'm using some kind of like full coverage foundation, some foundation that goes on a little bit more matte and heavy on my skin. So coming to this product itself, this product contains argan oil, which is the key ingredient. It contains jojoba oil, maracuja oil, which works as a vitamin C ingredient, which works as an antioxidant and brightens your skin. And it also contains essential fatty acids and vitamin E. So argan oil, you can use it to nourish your skin. You can use it to prevent fine lines and wrinkles in the long run with prolonged usage, and also helps in fading dark spots and pigmentation, because it also does contain maracuja oil in it. And not just that, you don't have to use this just for your face. You can also use this for your nails, your arms, your hair. So when used as a hair serum, it can promote hair growth, so prevent your scalp from getting really dry. Also, you can use this for your nails, and you can if you have like damaged cuticles, you can help repair that with argan oil. Also, the argan oil, because it is so lightweight and it absorbs instantly into your skin, I feel like this would suit all skin types. Irrespective of your skin type, you can definitely try this one out. It's very lightweight. So you can use this, say take like 1 or 2 drops and use this on your face, massage it gently upwards. You can apply it on your neck. You can also use it on your arms if your arms are feeling a little bit too dry, and also on your hair. So it depends on the amount of usage you need. Like if your skin needs that much, you can use it a little bit more liberally, a little bit more lavishly as well. But I do take about 1 to 2 drops of this and apply it on my face and neck. And when I'm using it on my body, of course, I do take a little bit more product than usual. So when I'm doing that, I really like this product. I think it's a really nice lightweight oil. The formulation is such that it is quite lightweight, so you can use this before your makeup as well. So that is what I really like, and I've used this today as well before my makeup, and you can see that glow where it's not looking like oily, but it's not like dry as well. I like that. I really like that. So the next product we're going to be moving on to is the Pilgrim Secrets of Jeju Island 100% pure and natural Tamanu oil. Now, Tamanu oil is obtained from tamanu nut, and which is more popular in, I feel like, Korean skincare, and it's doing all the rage, but it is used worldwide in most skincare products, and people love this particular ingredient. Now, the reason a lot of people really like this is because it has higher fatty acid content, which means that it makes it a little bit more ideal for people with dry skin. And it also has anti-aging benefits. So it also has anti-inflammatory properties. So if there is any kind of inflammatory acne, it was used to treat that as well. And it also is said to help with acne scars and any kind of dark spots on your face. It helps fade that away as well. Now, the consistency of this oil is such that it is a little bit more thick than the other oil that I showed you, and it has that dark brown sort of a color to it, which is very usual with most Tamanu oil. So depending on the extraction process and the climate, it can be like dark brown or a pure green. So I feel like this one looks dark brown sort of a color, and it does have that scent to it, like a nutty earthy scent to it, so it is quite prominent as well. And this one, how I like to use it, you can use it twice a day as well. It depends on you how you like to use it, but I like to use it particularly during the night time because of that scent that it has, and it also has sort of like a light yellow tint on the face. So I like to use these kind of products during the night time particularly. Also, this has helped me so much with my really dry itchy skin. So right now, because it's winter, my hands and legs are extremely dry. Like my face, it's bearable, but my legs and hands, they're extremely dry. And with shaving and top of that, it just aggravates the situation and it's getting a little bit out of hand. So I started to develop like an itchy rash on my knee, and I used this particular oil and it just instantly calmed that itchiness down. So this is said to even work for people who have like razor burns and have that itchiness after shaving your body. So you can definitely try this on your body as well, and I feel like it helped so much. Otherwise it was just getting a little bit out of hand, you know, the itchiness, but this one really did help so much. So you again take the right amount you require. So for your face, I feel like just one full drop of this is more than enough, and of course if you're using it for the rest of your body, you would require a little bit more. This product is priced at 645 rupees, and you again get the standard 30 ml of product in this. Again, can find this one on discount. Do check out for good offers and then purchase it. The Tamanu oil, though mentioned that it is suitable for all skin types, I would definitely recommend this for people with dry skin, people who have irritated skin, and would be especially helpful if you shave your face, shave your body, and you have razor burns, itchiness, and you want something to soothe it, and something with an antibacterial property, anti-inflammatory property. You can definitely try that out. I feel like they're such a boon for this weather condition particularly, and it would really help people with very dry skin. So yeah, that pretty much completes the review part of this. These products don't contain any artificial fragrance and mineral oil in it, in case you were concerned about that. These products don't contain any of that. So whatever fragrance you're actually getting from this product is from the other key ingredients of this product. They don't really add any artificial fragrance to this. If you guys are excited to try these products out, you can shop with additional discount with my coupon code right here, which I will leave on the screen as well as in the description box below, along with other links. So you can check out the links, you can check out the products, and you can shop from the links in the description box below. So yeah, while you're at it, give this video a big thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so to notified every time I upload a new video. And I see you guys in my next one. Bye. We come alive in the nighttime.